Organizations can implement dynamic routing to gain efficiency and realize an almost immediate return on investment from their routing software. However, implementing dynamic routing is often more challenging than expected. Even when an ideal solution is found, a new route may face scrutiny for creating too much change for an organization to handle. Boundary files allow you to combine geographic boundaries with the Appian algorithm to create optimized routes that are still palatable to your users. In DirectRoute, users have the ability to draw boundaries on a map. These drawings can be polygons, circles, or other shapes. When an order is imported into DirectRoute and falls inside one or more of the boundary shapes, it is given an equipment code for that boundary. Corresponding trucks in the truck file have the same special equipment, ensuring they are loaded on the appropriate route. Where boundary drawings overlap, the system applies multiple equipment codes to the stops, which gives the algorithm flexibility to load the order on any route with a matching special equipment. This allows the boundaries to act as push-pull areas when volume varies in one geographic location. In this video, we will show you how to create boundary files using the drawing tools. Let's begin. Ensure DirectRoute is on the map view. Select the pencil icon from the menu at the top. Selecting the pencil icon opens the Drawing Tools menu. There are a number of drawing tools available to create different shapes. For this example, we will draw a polygon. To create a polygon, select the polygon shape in the Drawing Tools menu. Left-click to place anchor points and draw your desired boundary. Control-click or double-click to complete the boundary drawing. Click the B icon in the drawing menu to open the text tool and create a label for the boundary shape you drew. Select the Scalable option to enable the label to change in size with the map when zooming in or out, or Fixed Size to keep it the same size regardless of zoom level. Select Draw Borders to outline the label if desired. Click OK. Position the cursor within the boundary drawing and left-click to place the label. This label becomes the equipment code applied to the stops inside the boundary. After editing is complete, select File, Save Drawing to save your changes. Create a name for the drawing file and click Save. To use your saved boundary file drawings in the routing process, ensure your preferences are set correctly in the Pre-Process category. Select File, Preferences. Double-click or click the arrow on the left to expand the preferences for Pre-Process. Expand the Apply Boundaries options. The Apply EQ code to stops tells the system whether or not to apply the label from the drawing to the equipment code. Set this to True to use your saved boundary drawings and labels. Drawing file name is the file location for your saved drawing. Click the ellipsis on the right side to open the default save location for drawing files. Select the drawing file to be used and click Open. Overwrite existing EQ code tells the system how to handle new equipment codes. If set to True, the system will overwrite any existing equipment codes with the new equipment codes from the selected drawing. If set to False, the system will append the new equipment codes to the existing equipment codes. Click OK. Note that to use your drawings in the route building process, ensure Enable Pre-Processing is selected in the Load options in the Build Route dialog box. Please see the video Loading Routes for more information on this process. You have completed the Boundary File Overview training video. To learn more about this product, visit our Learning Center to access on-demand training and online help.